Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. For this week's segment, we actually skipped last week. We've been extremely busy. Long story short, I've got a three-legged dog now, but he's doing fine. For this week, and kind of in preparation for the upcoming Renaissance Festival in Wichita, which is one that we frequent every year, thought about maybe making a raven skull. Now, I've got this little example up in my upstairs room in the home, and it's kind of floated around for a while, and I've kicked around the idea of making something metal. Thack Ironworks is a YouTuber that I frequently watch his channel. He's amazing at everything that he does. Check him out. I don't know that I can necessarily put in a link, and I don't even know that he knows that I exist, but I watch his stuff religiously. He's amazing, and he actually did a repoussé with cloak pins, and so it kind of gave me the idea of trying to forge out my own. I designed my own templates. There's a possibility that if this works out the way that I plan, I may put those templates up for sale. I don't know. Just get a hold of me via Facebook at www.facebook.com/EP Ironworks. And so yeah, without wasting too much of your time today, this should be pretty fun. I've got both of the templates, the cutout drawouts already on the steel. So we're going to use the old trusty plasma, hand cut these, clean them up, take them over and start forging them out. There will be a little bit of welding involved. I haven't quite determined if I'm going to weld them together first or if I'm going to wait until I get most of the pieces formed. So this is going to be a learning experience for both of us. So stay tuned. Hopefully it works, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.